Hi everybody, this is Danish Living. I will try to make a kind of bread, soft like a fresh garden today. The ingredients needed are flour, sugar, salt, yeast, oil, eggs, and fresh milk. The vegetable oil can also be replaced with soft butter if you prefer that. You don't need to have eggs if you mind. Then you just use the same quantity of water or milk. You don't even need milk. Instead, you can just use water. We can either use the kitchen mixer to knead the dough or just make it by hand. Kneading around 10 to 15 minutes with mixer. In my opinion, kneading the dough by hand is really an interesting activity, as you can get some exercise while you will know exactly the temperature of the dough. It shouldn't be so high. First proof for 1 hour or to the double in size. As you can see my dough here, it got a bit too long time, but I don't think it means so much if you continue to work on it right now. Apply a bit of flour if the dough is too sticky. The softness of the dough means you can get soft and fluffy bread as a final result. So I mean it's a good thing. I like a bigger bread, so I just divided the dough evenly. Each of them is around 90 grams. You can easily make them smaller. Then you will get more bread. Press the dough a bit harder so that the air inside the dough can be squeezed out. This is very important. Please like and subscribe my channel to support me if you like this video. Cover them and rest for around 10 to 15 minutes. Knead them one more time to form the final bread dough. So here come we to the second proof for 1 hour or to the double in size. For the glazing, we can either use one yolk with some fresh milk or just yolk with water. It's also good to use only milk. Glaze the bread evenly with careness. From time to time, I used too much power, so some of the surface of the bread being destroyed a bit, and then the baked bread looked not so nice as a result. You see, the bread looks so nice. The smell is also very great. They are so soft as fresh cotton. I'm very happy with this bread today. Please like and subscribe my channel if you like this video. Thank you. I'm Danish Living. See you in my next video.